Google. The name has become synonymous with searching the internet. Google's journey from a Stanford University dorm room project to a global tech behemoth is a tale of innovation and ambition. This essay delves into Google's success, exploring how the company generates billions and became a dominant force in tech. We'll unravel its primary revenue streams and examine the clever freemium model that underpins many of its services. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of Google, a company that has revolutionized how we access information. Our story begins in 1996 at Stanford University, where two PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, embarked on a mission to improve internet search. At the time, search engines were clunky and often returned irrelevant results. Page and Brin believed they could create a better system by analyzing the relationships between websites, an approach they called PageRank. Their breakthrough came with the realization that the more a website was linked to by other websites, the more important it was. This insight formed the foundation of Google's search algorithm, which quickly gained a reputation for delivering more accurate results. In 1998, Google was officially born, reflecting the founder's ambition to organize the vast amount of information on the burgeoning World Wide Web. While Google's search engine quickly gained popularity, the company initially struggled to find a sustainable business model. The founders were adamant about keeping the search experience clean and ad-free. The answer came in the form of advertising, but not just any advertising. Google revolutionized online advertising with its innovative AdWords program, now Google Ads. Unlike traditional banner ads, Google Ads were designed to be unobtrusive and highly targeted. Advertisers could bid on keywords related to their products or services. When a user searched for those keywords, Google would display the advertiser's text-based ads alongside the search results. This pay-per-click (PPC) model proved incredibly lucrative for Google, allowing the company to generate substantial revenue while keeping its search results page clean and user-friendly. While Google's search engine and advertising business flourished, the company wasn't content to rest on its laurels. Google embarked on an ambitious expansion strategy, launching a plethora of new products and services, many of which were offered entirely free of charge to users. These included Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, YouTube, and the Android operating system. This freemium model might seem counterintuitive from a business perspective. By providing these free services, Google gains access to a treasure trove of information about our online behavior, preferences, and habits. This data is then used to personalize our online experience, from suggesting relevant search results to recommending videos on YouTube. While the services themselves may be free, our data is the currency we pay to access them, raising important questions about privacy and data security. The data game: how Google personalizes your experience. Google's data collection practices are extensive and sophisticated. Every time we use Google Search, browse the web using Chrome, watch videos on YouTube, or interact with any other Google service, we leave behind a trail of digital breadcrumbs. This data is then aggregated and analyzed to create a detailed profile of our interests, preferences, and online behavior. This information is used to personalize our online experience in myriad ways. When we search for something on Google, the algorithm takes into account our past search history, location, and other factors to deliver the most relevant results. Similarly, when we see ads on Google's platform or across the web, they are often tailored to our interests and past browsing history. While some users appreciate the convenience and personalization, others express concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse of their information. Privacy concerns and regulatory scrutiny. Google under fire. Google's data collection practices have not gone unnoticed by regulators worldwide. The company has faced numerous investigations and fines for alleged antitrust violations, privacy breaches, and misuse of user data. In 2018, the European Union hit Google with a record $5 billion fine for antitrust violations related to its Android operating system. In response to these criticisms, Google has taken steps to address privacy concerns, such as introducing new privacy controls for users and making its data collection practices more transparent. However, many critics argue that these measures are insufficient and that Google needs to do more to protect user privacy. Google's ambitious future. While Google continues to dominate the search and advertising markets, the company is not content to rest on its laurels. Google has been investing heavily in new technologies and areas of growth, including artificial intelligence, cloud computing, self-driving cars, and healthcare. Google's AI research lab, DeepMind, has already made significant breakthroughs in areas like machine learning and computer vision. Its cloud computing platform, Google Cloud, is rapidly gaining market share as businesses increasingly rely on cloud-based services. Google's ambitious bets on these emerging technologies demonstrate its commitment to staying ahead of the curve and ensuring its continued dominance in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Google's evolution, a legacy of innovation and adaptation. Google's journey from a dorm room project to a global tech giant is a testament to the power of innovation and ambition. The company has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, transforming how we access information and connect with each other. Google's success can be attributed to several factors, including its relentless focus on improving its search algorithm, its innovative advertising model, and its strategic acquisitions. However, Google's journey has not been without its challenges, facing criticism over its data collection practices and market dominance. Despite these challenges, Google has shown a remarkable ability to adapt and evolve, remaining a dominant force in the tech industry. The Google Empire, built on information and ingenuity. As we've explored, Google's success stems from its mastery of information. From its early days as a revolutionary search engine to its current status as a sprawling tech behemoth, Google has consistently demonstrated an unmatched ability to organize, analyze, and leverage information. Its lucrative advertising business, built on a foundation of user data, has generated billions of dollars in revenue, fueling the company's expansion into new markets and technologies. However, Google's data-driven approach has also drawn scrutiny and criticism, raising important questions about privacy and data security. As Google looks to the future, it faces the challenge of balancing its appetite for data with the growing demand for greater transparency and user control over personal information. The Google Empire, built on a foundation of information and ingenuity, will continue to shape the digital world for years to come.